India ki anauba criminal law ahum lakliba July thagi tang amadagi chatnaba hauragani hairiba anauba law ahum asuna Indian Penal Code, Code of Criminal Procedure amasung Evidence Eki mahut silagani. Anauba law ahum asigi mamingna Varatiya Nyay Sanhita, Varatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita amadi Varatiya Suraksha Sakshya Ek kawi. Chanagadoriba law ahum asigi matangda master trainers singi oiba seminar cum training program ama Imphal gi North AOC da leiba hotel Imphal da pangthokrai. Thoramadu Manipur lenganki Law and Legislative Affairs Department na senduna pangthokibani. Thoramadu da sarukyaki ba Manipur gi Chief Secretary Bennett Josina India da Colonial matamdagi chanaraklaba criminal law sing India gi anauba criminal law ahum asana mahut silagani amasung anauba law asana proper justice pibada hena khudong chahalagani. Maram asana anauba law ahum asigi maramda mipum khudimakta achumba information yauhanaba punna honaminasi haina appeal tawki. Loinana police ta FIR register tawba madamda English ta tawbagi mahutta hena marik chumna amasung laithokna tawba yanaba Manipuri law Sizina haningbagi apamasu Chief Secretary na Fongdokhi. Thoramadu da LMS Law College ki Assistant Professor CH Momo namasung Manipur Judicial Academy ki Director Justice KH Novin na resource person hoina sarukyaduna anauba criminal law ahum gi matangda wangangki. Thoramadu da DGP police ki official sing legal expert sing amadi mari lenaba official kyasu sarukyaki.
The earlier laws were enacted. They were done by a colonial government and therefore they had those connotations. And that we see when we get into the details. Many of the people feel that this is only the change in the names, but as the DGP has elaborated, they are changing the entire ecosystem that is prevalent in the criminal justice system. And I am sure that with the participation of everybody, it will give proper justice to the individual.